Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgradingway. I am Rima and I am here with some Tally ERP9 intermediate level questions along with answers. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Let's start the video.
How can you manage multiple companies in Tally ERP9?
In Tally ERP9, you can manage multiple companies by creating each company file separately. To switch between companies, you use the Select Company option on the Gateway of Tally screen. Each company file is independent, allowing you to maintain and manage financial data for multiple entities within the same Tally installation.
Explain the concept of cost centers and how to use them in Tally ERP9.
Cost centers in Tally ERP9 are used to track expenses and revenues for different departments, projects, or locations within an organization. You can enable cost centers by going to Gateway of Tally, then press F11, Features, then go to Accounting Features and enabling Cost Center Management. When recording transactions, you can allocate amounts to specific cost centers to monitor the financial performance of each area separately.
What are groups in Tally ERP9 and how are they different from ledgers?
Groups in Tally ERP9 are classifications of similar ledgers used to organize and categorize financial data for easier reporting. For example, sales and purchasers are groups that categorize various related ledgers. Ledgers are individual accounts where specific transactions are recorded, like cash or accounts receivable. Groups help in summarizing ledger balances and generating consolidated reports.
Describe how Tally ERP9 handles data synchronization and remote access.
Tally ERP9 offers data synchronization through Tally.net, which allows users to synchronize data between multiple locations or with a central server. For remote access, Tally.net can be used to access your data from anywhere with internet connectivity. By configuring Tally.net services and enabling remote access, you can securely work on your Tally data from different locations.
How can you generate GST reports in Tally ERP9?
To generate GST reports in Tally ERP9, first, ensure GST is enabled in your company's features. Go to Gateway of Tally, then go to Accounts Info, then Tax Details and configure your GST settings. When recording transactions, Tally automatically calculates GST based on the rates you've set. For reports, navigate to Gateway of Tally, then go to Display, then Statutory Reports, then GST. Here, you can view and export various GST reports, including GST sales, GST purchase registers, and GST returns.
What steps would you follow to handle a discrepancy in bank reconciliation in Tally ERP9?
To handle discrepancies in bank reconciliation in Tally ERP9, follow these steps. 8. Reconcile bank statement. Go to Gateway of Tally, Banking, Bank Reconciliation. Select the relevant bank account and compare your Tally records with the bank statement. Though, identify discrepancies, check for any transactions that might be missing, duplicate entries or incorrect amounts. 3. Adjust entries. Make necessary corrections or adjustments in Tally, such as adding missing transactions or correcting errors. 4. Reconcile again. After making adjustments, reconcile the bank statement again to ensure all discrepancies are resolved.
Can you explain the voucher class feature in Tally ERP9 and its benefits?
Voucher class in Tally ERP9 is used to create predefined templates for transactions, which helps in standardizing and simplifying data entry. For example, you can set up a voucher class for sales that automatically applies certain accounting entries or tax rates. This feature ensures consistency in data entry, reduces errors, and speeds up the process by automatically populating fields based on the predefined class.
How do you handle foreign currency transactions in Tally ERP9?
To handle foreign currency transactions in Tally ERP9, follow these steps. 8. Enable multi-currency. Go to Gateway of Tally, then go to F11, Features, select Accounting Features and enable multi-currency. Though, create foreign currency. Go to Gateway of Tally, then go to Accounts Info, then Currencies, then select Create. Define the foreign currency, including the symbol and exchange rate. 3. Record transactions. When entering transactions, select the appropriate foreign currency. Tally will automatically handle currency conversion based on the rates set and update your accounts accordingly. I hope you like the video. Please like, share the video and subscribe to the channel. And comment your feedback. Best of luck for your interview.